Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we'll be connecting our Kraken exchange to Liberium Crypto. When logging into Liberium Crypto, first thing, go to your dashboard. The moment you're on your dashboard, you'll see in the middle of the page, it says Exchange Not Connected and Exchange Setup. So let's click on Exchange Setup and get to the right ones. We have the opportunity to choose of 4 different exchanges: Binance.com, Gemini, Kraken, and KuCoin. But today we'll be adding Kraken. We'll click on Kraken and continue. The moment this page to connect an exchange open, you can see at the bottom is full instructions on how to connect your exchange. So let's follow these instructions and get our exchange connected. First of all, go to Kraken to sign in. You should have 2 authenticator already. As you can see, I've already logged in to my Kraken. Click the icon for personal profile in the near top right of your name. Let's go to the top right corner. Click on that. Click on security drop down. Click on security drop down. Select API. Selecting our API. As you can see, I got the API there I've been using already, but we'll add another API. We'll add the key and we'll name it Liberium. Crypto. So we know which API this is. Select API, provide the name for creating the API. That's done. Enter 4000 in the nonce window. Let's enter 4000. Now here's an important part. Make sure all the correct boxes is ticked. Query funds, tick. Query open orders and trades. Query close orders and trades. Modify orders. Modify orders, cancel and close orders. Query ledger entries. Access WebSockets API. And this is an important one. Make sure your withdraw funds is not ticked. As you can see, our withdraw funds is not ticked. Then we click generate key. Generate our key. Now it has created us 2 different keys. Remember, never share your keys with anyone. You can see my keys because I'm doing it in this video and I'll be deleting it immediately after the video. The first one is API key. We copy our API key and we paste it in the Liberium page. Then we copy our private key and we paste it into the API private key section. Important, it's highly recommended that you create a new API key strictly for Liberium Crypto. As you just saw, we just created a brand new API key. Now after pasting everything in, we click save on the Kraken exchange. As it's set up and ready to work, we click continue on Liberium. After clicking continue, you can see it says, well done, your exchange is now verified and connected, and you can go back to the dashboard. That's easy, a quick 5-minute setup, getting your exchange connected. Kraken and Liberium Crypto. Have a great one, take care.